Hello guys, Mike here, Solidity and Ethereum developer. Today I'm going to be walking you through step-by-step how to deploy an Ethereum trading bot and generate steady passive income by sandwiching Uniswap Ethereum transactions. Basically, this bot analyzes Ethereum mempools, which is basically a waiting room for pending transactions. Initiated through Uniswap Exchange, the bot funds these pending transactions with higher gas fees than the initiated gas fees. The bot immediately processes a sell order and sends the available Ethereum back to our connected wallet. The process is easier than it sounds, and you don't need any coding experience, as this video explains each step properly. Before starting the steps, make sure to add MetaMask browser extension to Google Chrome browser. On your Windows or MacBook computer, MetaMask is a Web3 wallet, which allows us to compile and interact with Ethereum smart contracts and access developer options if needed. First step is to open remix.ethereum.org. Remix is used to create Solidity-based Ethereum smart contracts. If it's the first time using Remix, just click Production, Only Deployments. This option loads up all the developer features available on Remix. Click this menu beside Workspaces and click Clone and paste this link, then click OK. This clones Uniswap v3 GitHub repository locally on your computer and lets our deployed trading bot interact directly with Uniswap's Ethereum mempool. The link will be in this video description. It may take a few seconds to load. Once done, click Create New File and name it bot.sol. Make sure you add .sol extension to allow the code compile successfully. Check the description for the updated link containing the code, copy it and paste in your bot.sol file. I may update the code occasionally, so only copy the code available through the link in the video description. At the top of the code, you can see the Solidity version is 0.6.6. Move over to the Solidity compiler tab and change the compiler version to 0.6.6 to match the code. Click Compile and wait for a few seconds. Next step is to go over the Deployment tab and change the contract environment from Remix VM to Injected Provider Metamask. Since it's the first time for you, MetaMask will bring up a pop-up asking for confirmation. Just confirm and wait for the wallet to load up in Remix. If this doesn't work, choose Wallet Connect instead of Injected Provider and confirm your wallet. On my wallet, I have 1.01 Ethereum. You need 1 Ethereum to fund the trading bot. Just leave about $50 extra for contract deployment and interaction fees. The fees fluctuate, but $50 should cover everything. This is the best time to get Ethereum as it's really low today, but it won't remain this low for a long time. After adding MetaMask to Remix, scroll down to this Deploy button, type ETH, and click Deploy. MetaMask will bring up another pop-up asking to confirm. Right now the fee is so high, $33, but it's usually lower than this. Click Confirm and wait for your contract to be deployed. Do not refresh Remix at this point. If it's too slow, change the network fee to aggressive and wait. Alright guys, successfully deployed. Scroll down to Deployed Contracts in Remix and click this arrow. This opens the Contract Interaction tab. Copy the contract address and move over to MetaMask. Click Send and paste this contract address. Send 1 Ethereum. If you don't have up to 1 Ethereum, use 0.5 Ethereum minimum. Anything below this runs the risk of liquidation. So now, the contract has been funded, and the Ethereum has loaded up in my contract balance. Now click Start to initiate the trading bot. MetaMask will bring up another pop-up. Just confirm and set the network fee to aggressive. It speeds up the transaction. Let's go over to Etherscan to check our contract address. Currently, I have just 1 Ethereum. I'll leave the bot to run for 6 hours, and every 2 hours, I'll come back to check the contract balance and update you guys. So now my timer just went off. I'll just refresh this, and wow, it's already at 1.2 Ethereum. This shows how powerful this trading bot can be, and I'll come back in 2 more hours. This is crazy, guys. 1.4 Ethereum just after 4 hours. I normally will leave this for 24 hours, but I need to round up this video, so I'll come back in 2 hours' time for the final update, guys. Insane profit, guys. It's 1.63 Ethereum just in 6 hours, roughly $4,100, and I'll be showing you how to withdraw the profit now. Just click the withdrawal button and confirm the MetaMask pop-up. Wait for the transaction to complete and check your MetaMask balance. So now our contract balance is 0, because the Ethereum has been sent back to my wallet. 1.63 Ethereum is currently $4,100. But in a few days' time, Ethereum will go back to $3,700 range. And let's see what this Ethereum will be, so that's about $6,000. Some weeks I've made up to 20 Ethereum. Profit depends on order volume and, of course, Ethereum prices, but generally about 0.1 Ethereum per hour, as you saw in the video. Let me know how much Ethereum you made in the comments below, guys. And if you have any questions, drop them at the comments section or contact me through the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more exclusive web